let's continue with our top interview LeetCode questions. Okay. Alright. So we just did Roman to integer. Let's now do integer to Roman. So it will be the opposite. Then we have our special cases that are those 49, 40, 90, 400, 900, as we had last time. So we're given the number. Now we want to write the corresponding characters, the letters. Yes. Let's take the last one as an example again. So we see 1000. Then we do M. We see 900, so we do CM. We see 90, so that's XC. And then we have 4, which is that. It almost sounds like it should be easier than the other way around. Because last one was easy level. This is medium, but last one wasn't that easy. Okay. Now I'm unsure why this should be harder than the last one. Alright, let's... So last time I had this dictionary with the corresponding letters and the numbers. So let's do that again. And then we just iterate through the integers and write out the corresponding letters. Oh, I see. I guess like for this one, 58, we have 50, which is L, but 8 is not given in that list. So we have to build this VIII. So it's not as easy as just looking it up and writing it out. I see. Okay. What if we do something like this? 1994. So it's always gonna be less than 4,000. So let's first subtract 1,000. So while it's still over 1,000, we can keep subtracting 1,000 and then adding an M to the output. So if we had 3,994, we would be subtracting 1,000, 1 M, another 1,000, another M, and another 1,000, 3 M's. And then we'd be left with 994, and we'll kind of do the same thing. If it's 9, then it's already set what it is. It has to be that. If it's 8, however, then we will start with subtracting 500 and the rest of it subtracting 100. So it will still be in this going from 1000 to 900 to 500 to 400 to 100 and so on. So if there's a 900, then we will subtract that instead of going to 500 and 100. If it's 800, then we go to 500. Okay, so that's the basic logic I'm thinking. So we have this number. Well, it's bigger than 0. Okay, let's try that. Well, it's bigger than 0. Oh, I keep doing that because it's a syntax for other languages, but now I'm trying to learn Python, so no more parentheses everywhere and the semicolons. Okay, while the number is bigger than 1000, bigger or equal to 1000, I'll say. What do? We need an output string. So while it's bigger or equal to 1000, we will subtract 1000 from it and add m. So in this case, we come in here, we do it once, and then we're out of the while loop. If we have 3000, then we will do it 3 times, and then we're out. Anyways, we're out with no more 1000 digits. So now we're in the hundreds. So if, I mean, this feels really redundant, but if number is equal or bigger than 900, then we wanna subtract 900 and give it, what's 900? cm. So if it's not, let's say if it's 800, what do we do? So 800 is bigger or equal than 500. What do we do then? If it's bigger or higher, if it's higher or equal to 500, then we want to subtract 500 and give it d. So if we had 800, now we are left with 300, and we're gonna do this with c. Oh wait, we almost forgot the 400. Ooh, we have 1900 and 500, then we have 400. So if it's over 400, then we will subtract that, and we're gonna add a cd for 400. And what if we had, let's say there are 300 left, that would be well, because there could be multiple of them. So 100 is C, and now we have 90. Oh my god, this is just like last time. 90 We should have just put all of these in an array and then just pull that out. Or a dictionary. You just put that in a dictionary and pull it out. Yeah. Do we want to continue with this, or do we just try it right away with the dictionary? Let's just comment this away in case we want to try it later. Now let's do the dictionary. So dictionary, what do we want to do? We have, okay, symbols. Okay, dictionary. I is 1. Oh, this is gonna be tedious as well. Okay, I is 1, V is 5. I really hope this syntax is correct, otherwise I have to readjust everything. L 50, C 100, D 500, M 1000. What else do we have? We have these as well. All of these down here. Oh no, it's supposed to be the opposite because we're doing integer to Roman. Oh no. Alright, 1. What can we do? Should have really thought about it first. Okay. Four, 9, X 40, XL 90, XC 400, CD, and 900, CM. So that's our dictionary. Okay. Well, it's over 1000. What we're gonna do is okay, so basically we want to do this. We want to have this order going from the biggest to the lowest. So what do we want to do is to arrange the keys of this dictionary from the highest to the lowest. So for key in, we want to use this, but descending. We have to look up the syntax for that. Python sort dictionary by key descending. Let's see if we can find something here. Okay, so this is actually creating a new dictionary. I would rather not do that because that's just redundant data structure, extra storage. Can we just do it without the extra space? List, sort. It is still using additional dictionary. So what I need is just for key in sorted, but we want this to be descending. Dictionary keys. So sorted, let's see if sorted has this descending. Sorted function descending, what's the syntax for that? Looks like its reverse is true. Okay, so that's what we need. Okay, we try this. So what I want here is to sort all the dictionary keys, which are these numbers, descending. So it's gonna go from the highest one, 1000, and then 900, and like this. Da, 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 like this. Because what we want is to traverse in this order, going from the largest to the lowest, because we're gonna be subtracting. Okay, so the key here is the number, and the value are the letters that we want to add to our output. Oh my god, it's already been 20 minutes? Doesn't feel like it. Okay. Okay. Well, for each key, so the first one we have is 1000. So if we do this for key, no, for number, Roman. So this is what we want. This is this part. But this is gonna work. So first key is 1000. We're gonna be in this loop, and then this loop ends. And then is it gonna go to the next key? Well, that's what we're planning for. Let's see if this is working. Oh, it seems to be working as expected. Okay, that's good. Oh, great. Okay. Okay. So, January this year, so this was someone else's optimal solution. What is this? Well, okay, using string builder, we have an array of numbers and an array of letters, and oh, okay. Oh, of course, we don't even need the dictionary and then sort it by descending key values. We can just create that exactly in this way to begin with, which is much better. Okay, and then we are gonna go over all of them because they are already in this descending order, and then we just do the same thing. We are subtracting and adding letters. Okay, all right, so we don't actually need this dictionary and this sort keys in descending order if we had just created the arrays in descending orders to begin with. And so now let's see what we're doing. So we have this dictionary, and for all the keys, do we need this? Well, that's what I'm thinking about. So we have the keys in descending order, so for each of the key we are gonna, I guess we might not need this. Right, we do not need that. And this solution is very efficient. It's got really good results. So, okay, we do not need that. All we need to do is to go over the keys go over all these values in descending order, and then we subtract from the number and we add in the corresponding letters. So yes, this is good. Time and space. So we are doing a linear, well, it's linear because we need to go over each integer and put the corresponding letters in the output. So it's linear time and linear space. All right, let's have a look at other solutions. Let's have a look at Python. Okay, so that's the same dictionary that I have. Yes, okay, so same dictionary. Now for n in 1000, okay, so instead of doing this sort dictionary keys reverse, sort them in descending order, they just write this out plainly. So I mean, I do think this is better. I mean, it's more general, but it's not gonna be as efficient because sorting is always gonna be less efficient than just linear. So for the descending order keys, we are gonna n. Oh yeah, so n is the keys here. So this is exactly the same thing then. Okay, so that will be the similar solution. Let's look at some top solutions. What do we have here? Okay, so this is writing out all the possible, all of the possible 1 to 3,999, all of the letters that might be used, and then we could just then we just see, okay, which one is in which digits, in which position, and then we just yes. So this is a constant solution because we are just basically feeding it whatever it needs, and we just need to go a constant lookup with the arrays. Okay, let's have a look at just one more. Okay, yeah, that's the same solution. Okay, all right, I guess now we are happy with this problem. Apparently people didn't like this so much. All right, I will see you tomorrow for the next problem, or maybe I'll do another one later today. All right, bye guys.